Hey everyone, that's me, Filon the player. Today I went to our local mall and I went straight to the vending machine and I wanted to win that minion I wanted, and I lost a lot of money on that vending machine. So I went to Google Play as I usually do, and I found this one because it says, "Tired of those vending machine games? Bulk machine is the next best thing." So I think that it's going to be a great game and I can relax a little bit. Yeah, it's family friendly. Yeah, so in here you don't spend any money, any real money, so it's okay. That's good. The comments say it's really gaim game. Well, I think it's it's uh, it's cool that he said that it's a gum game because I like gums, chewing gums, and all of them. So okay. Why is it so dark here? Okay, play. Okay. Okay, so tap to put money in the machine. $50? Isn't it like too much to start with? Wow, okay, I will choose $1. Okay, $1 and one more dollar. Can I play now? I won! I won! Okay, I won. Wow, what is it? It's Santa's hat. Will they send it to me? Like in my mailbox? Something like that. Okay, I want to play more. Yes, and okay, let's do this. It's a popsicle. Wow, I won another thing. This is amazing. You may be wondering, $50. Oh, it's 50 cents. Okay, you may be wondering how could I lost in vending machine? There are no losers. And well, I didn't get that minion, so I lost. Okay, I have a lot of money. I can do it like this. Wow, wow. I will play this game forever. This is amazing. And the best thing is that they will send all of it to me. Like real things that I want here. I think so. I want a snowman. Okay, it's very fun, but I don't understand why it's all these things are all Christmas related, because it's not Christmas right now, and the title didn't say anything about Christmas, and there is no Christmassy things on the vending machine itself. Very sun on it, so I don't understand. Okay, I got a gift. Great job. People want more presents. What people? I don't care, okay? I need to win this minion. Where's all my money? Did you see that? I put there more than $15 previously. And it is all gone. They stole it. Okay, I need my minion. I will try one more time. Open up. Open it. I don't need a snowman, I need a minion. What is happening today? I don't need a snowman, I need a minion. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, if it's another Christmas thing. Okay, this game is awful. First of all, they stole my money. Second of all, they didn't get me a minion that I wanted. Yeah, so I don't need all this stuff. If they will send it to me via mail or anything, I will throw it away. I don't need it. I need a minion.